Hello, everybody, and welcome to the last module of our course together. It's hard to believe that this is the last module. I hope that you are doing well. October is upon us, which often gets really busy with parent-teacher conferences, other maybe report cards you've got coming up, and other things happening as well. So thank you for your work on this course, and thank you for your attention to it. It will only make you a better leader, and I appreciate that. All right, let's check out our content for the last week. Going down to Module 8, Connecting with the Community. This week's essential question, what can I learn about connecting with the community? Keeping on from last week. And the required readings and resources. Please read chapters 12, 13, and 14 in the school community relations text. The supplemental reading there is all about a communications plan and partnerships and a strategic communication plan, some samples here for you to be able to use. 8.1 discussion, taking the reading that you did for this week, chapters 12, 13, and 14. Make sure that you respond to something that you learned, comment on the reading, things you wondered. Make sure you put an APA citation. Your response is due by Wednesday and responses to 2 others by Sunday. The last assignment of the course, Demographics, Needs Assessment, and Public Relations Plan. This really brings together most of what we've worked on for this class. And the idea is that you're studying your community, you're looking at what needs they have, and then you're making a plan based on that. The idea behind this is that you're going to use the Word template, so just download the Word template, fill in your information, and then upload your assignment. I'm thinking it's about 7 to 8 pages long, single-spaced. There's some resources here that you can use, and then there are these parts, the demographics section you'll see, and I've also included, what format to put the information in. Demographics is there, and needs assessment is another section. Public relations plan. So basically, you just download the document. And you fill in your information in the document. Of course, it always takes longer when you're waiting for it and when you are recording. All right, so here is the document. You just fill in your information. Save it, and then upload it again. Okay, that is it for this module. Questions anyone is here? As we've had all the other weeks, please do make sure you ask questions if you have them. Look forward to seeing your project and the final week that we have together. Have a great week, everybody.